ready. Come on.
Can't be scared when it goes down. Got a problem, tell me now. Only thing that's on my mind is who gon' run this town tonight.
We are, yeah, I said it, we are. This is Rock Nation, pledge your allegiance. Hit your fatigue song, all black everything. Black cars, all black everything. And I got the black birds riding with they. I get more in depth if you boys really real enough. This is not familiar, I'll explain later. But for now, let me get back to this paper. I'm a couple bands down and I'm trying to get back. I gave Doug a grip, I lost a flip for 5 stacks. Yeah, I'm talking 5,6 0 shot zeros. Here the back to run the circles well. Let me square up.
You picking a fight? I'd like to see you try.